Oh, come on, man. Something going on with it. Alright, so this is not going like I was planning. Man, I'm kind of tired right now. I went to sleep around 1 a.m. A little bit after that. And it's about 6 in the morning right now. It is what it is. But there is absolutely no way that I miss my men's meeting. No way. I don't know about you guys, but I hate riding on the highway. I really, really do. But it is the fastest way, so let's do this. And the bike is not feeling good. Something going on with it. Oh, come on, man. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, so this didn't turn on. And the throttle is not responding at all. It's still moving. Alright, so this is not going like I was planning. But it's still moving. We're gonna ride it right here until we can't ride it no more. I'll tell you what, it felt kind of weird breaking down in the highway. I got the throttle all the way and I'm going 20 miles per hour. There is always something. I was actually planning to talk about, motorcycles and if they're affordable or not. Now I'm breaking down in the middle of the highway. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, baby. You can do it. 20 miles per hour, man. You gotta be kidding me. I think I'm gonna make it to my men's meeting. Then I'm probably gonna call a towing truck and then take it to Mohawk. I mean, what else can I do? I appreciate the good Lord giving me that open green light. I don't even want to turn it off because I want to make sure I make it. Alright guys, I think I made it here. I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, the throttle's working now. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what's the deal with this, but it's working. Look at this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to see if I make it to Mohawk and see what the deal is. Like I said, I had a light that turned on and then the throttle wouldn't work. By the way, the men's meeting was awesome, as usual. A lot of cool guys there, and a lot of great information going on. I have plans to do all kind of different things today. Like I had a plan to go to the men's meeting, come out of there, then record 2 videos. I want to do a couple videos that I got in mind, and then I have plans to go home and do some other work that I got to do. And next thing you know, this happened. So it is what it is. You know, I was just kind of scared. I guess maybe a little scared that I would get hit in the highway. The moment that my throttle didn't stutter, or I started feeling the bike kind of like misfiring in a way, it was kind of like a boom, boom, boom. I was like, all right, let me move myself to the right. And then when I didn't feel the bike, again, going faster and slowing down, I thought there was something wrong with the gear. I did not realize how the throttle wasn't working at that moment. And obviously later on, I realized that I had no throttle. And like I say, a light turned on in my dashboard. So I'm gonna keep it safe. I'm gonna ride to, you know, Mohawk and stop there real quick just to asking what's the deal with that. Mohawk is the guy that has done my service on my motorcycle several times, and again, you know, he's a cool guy, so I'm gonna go and check him out real quick. But some of you guys may be able to tell me what's the deal with this. Maybe there is a sensor or something, who knows. Alright, let's put some music and let's make it there. City up and down, baby. My city. If you guys don't know what that statement is from, some of you guys do. But anyways, I'm gonna stop here and get me a drink. I wanted to do that in the morning, but as you guys know, the bike went down. It's running pretty good right now, but nevertheless, I mean, there was something wrong with it, so I don't want to kind of let it go and not do anything about it. I really don't. So let me get me a couple drinks right there. Hopefully Mohawk is there. If not, I'm just gonna call him. I got his phone number and talk to him. But before I do that, let's get some food. Not food, drink. Look at that. $5.95. Crazy prices. So my wife likes these energy drinks. They're called Ghosts. And they're not everywhere. Like, really not everywhere. But anyways, I'm not going to be in the middle here. May get hit by a car or something. But she likes those energy drinks called Ghosts. And they don't have them everywhere. I mean, some gas stations, they do have it. And I just found it in that gas station. So I got like 5 or 6 of them. Probably the lady was looking at me like, why is this guy getting so many of them? Alright, here we go. Let's see if Mohi's open. I think he's closed. What time does he open? By the way, if you're in Benel and you need any work on your motorcycle, obviously, come here and check out Moha. It's pretty good. Here's his information right there. I'm going to be heading home. Moha's not here. I waited for a little while, but he's not here yet, so I'm going to call him up. And I guess we will do a part 2 on this situation. I'm just glad I didn't have to call a towing truck and do all that stuff. By the way, the video today was all about if Harley Davidsons are affordable or not, if you could find some good deals out there. And that's kind of what I was planning to do and talk to you guys about, because I have found a couple really good decent deals out there. Obviously, a brand new Road Glide is a lot of money and very, very difficult for a lot of people to afford it, but there are some great deals out there in used bikes. And again, I wanted to talk about that. Obviously it didn't work out. I had this issue with the motorcycle, but let me know what you think in the comment section. Maybe you have some thoughts about that, maybe you don't, but anyways, let me know, and hopefully I'll make it home. I will definitely see you in the next one, and as always, God is in control.